Yeah, I'm Satish Shetty Anna, born and brought up in Chambur, Mumbai. Since birth, I'm staying in Chambur only. It's been a very good time staying in Chambur, getting the feel, the connectivity to Chambur has been very good. My family as such, my mother's name is Shri Parvati Anand Shetty. My father's name is Kondadi Anand Shetty. They are both from Mangalore, Udupi, and they have come to Mumbai since 5 decades, and they have been settled down here. And then me, I've got 2 brothers, my 2 elder brothers, Mr. Harish Shetty and Dinesh Shetty. Again, then I'm married. I've got my wife Preeti Shetty supporting me with my day-to-day activities in my business and my day-to-day other activities as such. Then I've got my son who's in the 10th now, and my daughter who's in the 7th standard. So this is my family who's there, always been very supportive to me, who've taken me ahead in my each and every activity as such. My actual growth to all these activities these are the family members who have been supportive, have brought me to this stage today. I feel really proud that if you have got a supportive family, you can do many things in life. It puts you in the right direction, the right motivation. I have been always motivated by my mother, who's always been doing more of social activities, and that inspiration has always been in my mind, like giving things to people. You know, when you do with your heart, to work for people, you do something without anything in return, that is the time you enjoy more. You do your activities and go ahead. Don't expect people to thank you or give you something in return. That thing has to always be in your mind. If you start expecting something from people, that is the time you will never be happy. So if you want to be happy and be a go-getter, your objective of life has to be always that just do things and go ahead. I feel I am lucky enough that my overall growth till present situation is very, very good. I'm very happy with all the progress, the overall love and affection given by people out here. I have always seen that locally people have been always giving helping hand from my mother's trust. My mother's trust's name is Srimati Parvati Anand Shetty Charitable Trust. We have always ensured that local people who are not having supporting hands have been supported by some cause or the other. So I have always tried to see that through my trust. My ambulances are there, my daily regular ration donations are there to the senior citizens who are old age, above 60, who are handicapped, who are widows. These are the 3 categories which we always help them through my trust, whatever is there, my mother's trust. And then these are again we have also got a project of cancer care hospital which we have tied up with Tata Hospital, which we are planning to put up a 100-bed hospital. That will be a care center. That will be a proper, it will be an accommodation activity with 100 beds, which is approved by Tata Cancer Hospital, Parel. Now we are under the fundraising activity. We will be going for a CSR funding, or we will be looking for a crowdfunding, which we intend to plan this. It will be in a total area of around about 2.5 acres of land, which we intend to put up this. So this will be in the coming stage, which we are planning through the CSR and crowdfunding. These are the activities which we normally do. I have done many activities to the CSR on the local based also. There are different companies at Chambur, specifically the chemical companies at the corporate park, who have also helped at the local level, where any flood taken accident, especially in the 2005 when flood was there in Chambur. We have got a very helping hand from these people. Even in the COVID period also, the corporates which were there in Chambur area, they have also supported that cause by giving ration, giving food packages and everything. So these are local activities which always been supportive to us. I've been very lucky that my father, at a very young age, when I was almost just completed my schooling, immediately he has always been told me that, you Satish, you need to go to the factory also. Why? That practical experience, what I have taken that at that stage, that has really been a very helping hand to me today. Even the same thing I am following. My son is in the 10th. I have sent him for the 3 months course. Let's go to work in a factory. He's gone for a lab training and everything. That makes a person skill, efficient and confidence in his own level. So My dad has always been telling me one word, that is, your success should not be the fear, should not be that failure. Your always objective should be you have to try to succeed. Once you have that determination in you, automatically the fear of failure will not put you down. Otherwise, what happens? A person thinks of failure, he doesn't do anything. So that concept is always hit in my mind, and I have been very totally motivated because of these things in life, which is always kept me as a go-getter wherever I've been. So I always have that smile in my face, always let it be doing my workout or talking to someone or got anything. That pressure I don't like to keep on my face. I like to be relaxed, be focused, and that's my mantra today in life to progress. That's all.